Personal
Mm.
statements have a big role because it really shows a reviewer whether you have what it takes to go to law school. And what do I mean by that? Because I feel like students really feel like the personal statement is this big mystery.
Exactly. 2 pages, what can I say? And I got so
So I
much
think
life
it
story.
helps students inform a little bit more what they should add when they know what we're getting out of it. So for us or reviewers generally, we look at the statement for clues. Like, what is your character, your principles? What motivates you to go to law school? Are you committed to being a lawyer and to the legal profession? And how long have you had this idea of going to law school? What are your unique experiences that may inform sort of what motivates you to go to law school? Is this the right time for you? Are you mature enough to handle law school? Have you exhibited enough growth and personal perseverance to be a law student? Law school is hard, so we want to make sure that you have what it takes and you are able to contribute meaningfully to our classroom experience and to everything that law school comes with.
I love so much that you mentioned those questions because we've talked about in prior